record a session. I hope you guys are all comfortable with recording. So let's go. So welcome all. And for me, I usually put up these kind of 3 key ideas for getting the most out of your website. So just try and make it simple for everyone to understand. So the first one is what can be done on your website. So the visitors, your clients, your customers, they go to a website to do something. So they go there to buy, they go there to see your portfolio, to subscribe to a newsletter. So you really have to get some clear call to actions there, some clear actionable items, some clear buttons, links, phone numbers, whatever it takes to get your customers to do something, because that's why they're there. That's why they are on your small business website or your art website. The second area that I think it's very important and you should also consider is how does the website look for your customers? So the website is kind of an extension of your business, an extension of your brand. Like if you have a oh, this meeting will end in 10 minutes. If you have a small business, so this is kind of an extension of that, and that is your brand. If you have a storefront on your own, your local business, you want it to look good. You want it to showcase what you have. And the same thing for the website. Does the website look good? Does it work on mobile? Is it fast? Is it well organized? And we know all these elements are very, very important to ensure that visitors, they connect with your business, they feel engaged, and basically they do those actions that we talked before. And then at last is, what does your website tell search engines? So Google, Bing, and then ChatGPT now, and all the AI tools, they don't see the websites as we do, right? They don't see it visually. So the content and the structure of your website are essential. So in this regard, you need to know to use relevant keywords. Are your website links well formatted? Do you have any broken content? A well-optimized website, if you have good links, if you have good keywords, if you have all these action verbs that are relevant to your business and are descriptive of your business, will do wonders to help your websites rank higher on Google. So I'm going to go and review 3 websites. I think this will have to be quite fast because for some reason we just have 10 minutes on the call, which is weird. And then we will, I'll share with you guys some follow-up steps and ideas of what you can do on your websites. So and at the end, we're going to have a 5-minute Q&A. So, and always, you can join the community that we have on Alignable. It's a public group. You can join in and learn more about getting your business growing online. We have a very, very good deal for you. So if you guys are interested in improving your website or renewing your website, you can do it. We'll do it for you. It's like we'll build a website for you, no hidden fees. It really is a great offer. So use the Alignable coupon at checkout. And if you want to submit your website for some other teardown in the future, you can also submit it there. And I'll put these links in the chat. So let's start. I picked 3 random websites, and the first one, let's start by laughing. So this is the Clowns at Party website in California, and you can see what does it look like. I mean, it's indeed very, very colorful and ideal for the customer. So, but let's look at these 3 fields, like at the actions and the UX and the content. So if I just want to book something, it's good in the sense that I have some emails to contact here. There's a phone number, but there's no action, right? There's no book now or call us now. These are important. These keywords are important to make sure that the website SEO is also improved and that the customers see a message to understand and to do next. There are several sections here on the website, but several things they can do. Laughagram for seniors, some testimonials. So content-wise, there is a lot of content here. Lots of testimonials. Maybe it's not properly organized. So you have a bunch of sections here on top, but these it scrolls a lot, so the UX is a little weird. So your customers may be a little bit disturbed and not understand this properly, or if they don't have a good computer, this may slow down their website. So there's magic shows, there's Christmas parties, so they do all kinds of stuff, but nothing is clickable. You see, I'm clicking around. We can even read the whole title of this. So what's really this? What's engaging for the customer? And the customer just gonna get lost, right? Okay, I want to get a Christmas something, but what do I do next? So there's no actionable thing for the customer to do. There's no, the SEO is kind of broken here. The content's broken, so there's no links, nothing to click on. So this should be reviewed. Let's take it a step further and go to the contacts section. Right, so Mrs. Soga, again, a phone number, but it's not clickable. So a lot of things that you're doing, but are just kind of lost here. There's no information architecture. So if you do face painting, balloon clowns, comedy magic, just write it down, right? This is what we do. Like, we offer face painting, balloon clown, comedy magic for kids of all ages. There's a good hook here for, some clients book months in advance. There's a book now, but there's nothing here to click on. There's nothing to do. So the customers will feel lost and don't know what to do next to contact your business. And the same thing for this contact form. So it's explicitly telling that what we need for a quote, but there's no kind of interaction here. There's nothing interactive. And today you can easily build a form to receive all of this information and make these fields mandatory if you need to collect the services or a type of event. So all of these options are available. And they have a form here, which is a little bit lost, but they could, you see, the email is even mandatory, so they could be collecting all of this information already on their contact form. And at last, let's just give it a look here on how it looks on mobile. And let's reload the page. And you see, this is how it would look on mobile. It's simulating that. And imagine someone going from your Facebook page or your Instagram that you're promoting up top and opens this page. Like, what do they do? Like, you just have the top 3 face paintings in Caledon, and that's great, but there's nothing for them to do. Right? There are a couple of emails here, but there's no actions, and the user experience is quite poor. And let's navigate it further. So let's go to balloons. So nothing happens. Let's go to birthday parties. And we notice that something's happening on the background, but we don't see it here. And this happens because the content is way up down. So all this is kind of this big header is hiding the content that you have on the website. So, and this is particularly relevant on mobile. So if someone is, just again on Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, receives a link, this customer opens the website, they want to see something to do. They want to get that first click, that first message of your website immediately. And in this case, it's missing. So I think these would be kind of the 3 takeaways. Add more keywords here, like call us now, book us now, send an email for more information, be more descriptive about what you do, and then fix the mobile view. I think that's very important, because it's really not working. And as you know, the majority of the customers and people today, they're using their mobile phone. So that's what they're seeing. Look, even in this case, like, the photos are great. I can see the happiness in the children, but I mean, it doesn't even show the full text. So this can be very, very improved. Moving on, this will have to be a little bit faster than we wanted. And the next one is hit bag. And this one, actually, this is a bag company. So they design leather goods, leather bags. And you can see in this one that they do have an action. They do have the shop hit bags here at the bottom, and basically if it's a shop, if it's a cart, there's something to do. So you can go here and see the bags. There's this weird effect in terms of usability for the customers and whoever's seeing this on the desktop, and scrolls on automatically. There's a lot of real estate here that's being missed on, that can be much better organized. But if there's no scroll down, before you actually get to the shops, you have a lot of text here and you have a lot of information, and this is important. This is good content. This is good content for your search engine optimization to get you to rank higher on Google, but it should not be more important than the actual catalog that you have, the actual information about your biker hip bags, your bow hip bags. And let's see one of these categories. So this one actually works better, you see. So the top navigation is still quite big, but there's some text here, but it's smaller. So it explains what it is, what this category of products is,